Hello students, in this lecture we are going to see the last topic, which is linear programming model. So this model used only when solution of 2% zero sum game of m by n matrices. So or m by n size means what? If we have given the matrix payoff matrix is of size m by n, where m and n greater than 2. In this case we will use linear programming method. So in a rectangular game with how many what is the order of matrix? M by n payoff matrix. If there does not exist any saddle point, means what? Check minimax and maximum point. If maximum minimax point is not same, then we say that it does not exist saddle point. And also it is not possible to reduce the game 2 by 2 size by using method of dominance. Means we don't use dominance method for this given payoff matrix. In this case we'll use linear programming method. Now let's see linear programming method, how to solve problem by using linear programming method. So we convert given payoff matrix to constants. Now consider m by n rectangular payoff matrix as, so this is the payoff matrix, so having entries m by n. So A11, A12, A1n and so on, A21, A22 up to so on, A2n, and last AM1, AM2 up to so on, AMN. So this is strategies for player B and this is strategies for player A. Okay. So here player A has how many courses of action? So player A has M courses of action, A1, A2 up to so on, AM, and player B having N courses of action, B1, B2 up to so on, Bn. Okay, so the payoff to player A is he selects strategies AI. Player A, if he selects strategies AI, and player B who select strategies BI, as AIJ is mixed strategy. So these are the values are the mixed strategy for player A is defined by. So we know that player A having probabilities P1, P2 up to so on Pn, with we know that the condition addition of probability is always equal to 1. Again, mixed strategy for player B is defined by the probability. We will define it as Q1, Q2 up to so on Qn. Okay, and also we know that addition of all probability is always equal to 1. Now we will form the constant by using player A strategy. So for player A, we will consider player A and find out its constant equations. Now how to find? Now for player A strategy, so here player A having A1, A2 up to so on AM strategy. Now player A in terms of B1, so what will be its equation? So let's see, determine unknown quantities. So for player A we have the quantities which is P1, P2 up to so on Pn, and for player B we have the quantities Q1, Q2 up to so on Qn. Okay, with addition of probabilities is equal to 1. So let's remind this always. Now determine unknown quantities P1, P2 up to so on Pn with the objective to minimize the value of game V. Now here, maximize. Okay, so to determine objective to maximize means for player A strategy function is always maximize, and for player B strategies function always minimize. So here we have taken V as maximize such that, so for player A's strategy, so A1, A2, A up to M. For player B's B1, so here we select the first column, we get A11 P1 plus A21 P2 plus up to so on AM1 PM, which is greater than or equal to value of game. Now for second one is strategies for player A when player B plays B2. Okay, so in this case what will we get? A12 P1 plus A22 P2 plus up to so on AM2 PM, which is greater than or equal to V. So remember always that for if we consider for player A strategies, then constant equation must be greater than or equal to type, and here equations of for player A strategy where for player A strategies when player B plays B1, then in this case we get A11 P1 plus A21 P2 plus up to so on AM1 Pn greater than or equal to V. Now player A strategy when player B plays B2, so in this case we get A12 P1 plus A22 P2 plus up to so on AM2 PM greater than or equal to V, and finally and so on when player A plays strategy A1, A2 up to on AM. So in this case B1 plays Bn. So selecting last column, so we get A1n P1 plus A2n P2 plus up to so on AMN PM greater than equal to V. And we know that addition of probability always equal to 1 and value of P1, P2 up to so on PM are always greater than equal to 0. Now we divide this equation, whole equation by V. Then what will we get? Dividing each inequality by V. Then we get here A11 into P1 by V plus, so A21 into P2 by V plus up to so on AM1 into PM by V greater than equal to 1. And for second, so all inequality after dividing we get A12 into P1 upon V plus A22 into P2 upon V plus up to so on AM2 into PM upon V greater than equal to V, because after dividing V we get here 1, and similarly we get this last term. And for last constant, divide throughout by V, so P1 by V plus P2 by V plus up to so on PM by V is equal to, so dividing by V we get 1 upon V. Now we can substitute value of P1 upon V is as x1, P2 upon V as x2 and so on, Pn upon V as xn. Then what will we get? So we get, since we have given that, what we have given, objective V is maximized. So V is maximized, then 1 upon V will be minimized. Since maximized value of V is equal to minimized value of 1 upon V, then LPP can be written as, so this LPP can be written as, substitute P1 upon V as x1, P2 upon V2 by P2 upon V by x2 and so on, Pn by V is equal to xn in this inequality. So this inequality can be becomes, so which is equal to maximize V, which is equal to minimize 1 upon V, because we have given that V is maximized. In this case 1 upon V will be minimized, and we know that it has values which is P1 upon V plus P2 upon V plus up to on PM upon V. So we know that value of P1 upon V is x1 plus x2 plus up to on xm, and subject to constants are, so A11 into P1 upon V value has x1 plus A21 into P2 upon V which is x2 plus up to on AM1 xm greater than equal to V greater than equal to 1. And next A1 to x1 plus A2 to x2 plus up to on AM2 xm greater than equal to 1. And finally we get A1n x1 plus A2n x2 plus up to on AMN xm greater than equal to 1. And all these value x1 x2 up to on xm are must be greater than equal to 0. Okay, so we get the first constant in terms of for players A. Now next, to find out constant equations for player B. Now let's see what is our payoff matrix here. Now in this example, so here this is our payoff matrix. Now in first, so for player A we have selected player A strategy when player B plays B1, B2 and Bm. In this case we get these M equations. Now in this case first we select player B strategy when player A plays A1. Next equation is player B strategies when player A plays A2 and so on. So we select rows, and here we have select the quantities. What is quantities here? We select the quantities Q1, Q2 up to on Qn, and objective function will be Q1 plus Q2 plus up to on Qn is equal to 1. Now in this equation, so first equation will be when player B strategy when player A plays A1. So in this case we get first row, second row and so on last row. So we get the equation like this. So here then the constants are A11 Q1 plus A12 Q2 plus up to on AM1 Qn less than equal to 1. So here for player B strategy we consider always here less than equal to sign, and for player A strategy we consider here greater than equal to sign. So here, so determine the unknown quantities we consider it as Q1 Q2 up to on Qn, which are mixed strategies for player B with objective. So here for player B's objective function will be minimize the value of game. So it is minimize the value of game, V is minimized, then 1 upon V will be always maximize. So remember this condition always. So then constants are a11 q1 plus a12 q2 plus up to so on. So first here a1n qn less than equal to 1. Next one is a21 q1 plus a22 q2 plus up to so on a2n qn less than equal to 1. And last equation will be am1 q1 plus am2 q2 plus up to so on amn qn less than equal to 1. And the objective function is q1 plus q2 plus up to so on qn is equal to 1. Similarly, divide all this constant by v, then we get the equation like this: a11 into q1 by v plus a12 q2 by v plus up to so on am into q a1n. Okay, a1n into qn by v is less than equal to 1. And similarly, after dividing by v, we get last equation. So this equation becomes q1 by v plus q2 by v plus up to so on qn by v equal to 1 upon v. Now substitute here q1 by v as y1, q2 by v is equal to y2, and so on qn by v equal to yn. And here what we have given, v is minimized, then it is equivalent to 1 upon v will be maximized. Okay, so here 1 upon v. Okay, since minimizing the value of v is equivalent to maximizing 1 upon v, then the linear programming problem can be written as. So this is the objective function. So we replace q1 by v as y1, q2 by v as y2, and so on qn by v as yn. Then we get the equation: minimize v is same as maximize 1 upon v, which is equal to y1 plus y2 plus up to so on yn is equal to 1 upon v, right? And subject to constant, so replace q1 upon v as y1, q2 upon v as y2, and so on qn upon v as yn. So this equation becomes a11 y1 plus a12 y2 plus up to so on a1n yn less than equal to 1. Similarly, a21 y1 plus a22 y2 plus up to so on a2n yn less than equal to 1. And finally we get am1 y1 plus am2 y2 plus up to so on amn yn less than equal to 1. And this value y1 y2 and so on yn are always greater than equal to 0. So this equation 1, so this is equation 1. So this is equation 1: minimize 1 upon v is equal to x1 plus x2 plus up to so on xn. And here we get the constant equation. Okay, so this is equation 1. And here this is equation 2: maximize 1 upon v is equal to y1 plus y2 plus up to so on yn. And these are constant equation. So equation 1 and 2 are the dual of each other. Means what? If we take dual of equation 1, then we get equation 2. And if we take dual of this equation 2, then we get equation 1. So here equation 1 and 2 are dual of each other. If one is solved, then other is solved implicitly, means we get the same solution. Now we'll see the example how to solve m by n game, or how to make a constant for m by n payoff matrix. Okay, now let's see the example. Express the following game as linear programming problem. Now we convert this given 3 by 3 matrix as LPP, means to form the constant equations. Now for player A having 3 strategies and player B having also 3 strategies. So this is 3 by 3 payoff matrix. Now first we make player A's constant, and second we make player B's constant. And we know that dual of player A is player B, and dual of player B is again player A, right? Now we know that for player A, constant must be greater than equal to type, and for player B, constant equation will be less than equal to type. So here we have 3 by 3 matrix in this case. Now for player A plays when player B plays first strategy in this equation, in this condition. So for player A, so we select first row. For player A, when it plays second strategies, player B plays second strategies. In this case, we select second column. And for player A strategies, when player B plays third strategy, so in this case we select third column. Now we'll consider we have total 3 strategies for player A. So in this case we consider x1, x2 and x3 be proportion of players A in playing various strategies. And for player B again there are 3 strategies. We consider y1, y2 up to so on y1, y2, y3 be pure strategies of player B. Now, expected gain of player A are shows. So for player A having three strategy. Now for when player A plays, in this case player B plays first strategy. In this case we select first column. So we get x1 plus 0x2 plus 3x3. So in this case greater than or equal to V. So this is the equation when expected gain of player A if player B plays first strategy. Now for second equation, expected gain of player A when player B plays second strategy. In this condition we get the equation 3x1 plus x2 plus twice x3 greater than or equal to V. And third is when expected gain of player A when player B plays third strategy, we get x1 plus twice x2 plus x3 greater than or equal to V. And last condition is addition of probability is always equal to 1. Remember this. And x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. And V is value of game, right? Now dividing all these constants by V. And we know that for player A strategy, V is maximize. So V is maximize, which is equivalent to 1 upon V will be minimize. Okay, so dividing this by V, we get x1 by V plus 0x2 by V plus 3x3 by V greater than or equal to 1. Next, second, 3x1 by V plus x2 by V plus twice x3 by V is greater than or equal to 1. And last, x1 by V plus twice x2 by V plus x3 upon V is greater than or equal to 1. And for last equation, we get 1 upon V plus x1 by V plus x2 by V plus x3 by V equal to 1 upon V. Now this is the objective function. Okay, so substitute x1 by V as P x1, x2 by V as x2 and x3 by V as x3. Then what we get? So this equation becomes, so this is capital X1 plus 0x2 plus 3x3 greater than or equal to 1. Next, 3x1 plus x2 plus twice x3 greater than or equal to 1. And last, x1 plus twice x2 plus x3 greater than or equal to 1. And this objective function will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 1 upon V. Now, for player A's objective is, so which is maximize, then his expected gain. So therefore the maximizing V is same as minimizing 1 upon V. So this is minimize. So minimize 1 upon V is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 and subject to this constant. And in this condition x1, x2, x3 must be greater than or equal to 0. So this is the constant for player A. And we solve this game by using simplex or big M method. Simplex method or big M method to calculate value of x1, x2 and x3 to find out value of game. Okay, to find out optimal value of game, which is minimize or maximize. Now for same problem we solve for player B. Now it is sufficient to solve for player A strategy or player B strategy because player A and player B are dual of each other. Now let's find out for player B strategy. So what is player B? So in this example here, so this is for constant equation for player A. Now next is expected loss of B when player A plays strategy 1. In this case we select first row. Then for player B strategy, in this for player B strategy when player A plays second strategy, then we select second row and last we get third row. So we get the equation here x1 plus thrice x2 plus x3 less than or equal to V. Next we get 0x1 plus x2 plus twice x3 less than or equal to V. And last equation we get in this condition we select value of y1, y2, y3. So first equation will get y1 plus thrice y2 plus y3 less than or equal to 1. 0y1 plus y2 plus twice y3 less than or equal to V. And last equation we get thrice y1 plus twice y2 plus y3 less than or equal to V. And last equation we get y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 1 because addition of probability is always equal to 1. So we get the equation like this. So LPP can be also evolved for the player B's strategy. So the constant will be y1 plus, so selecting rows, y1 plus thrice y2 plus y3 less than or equal to V for second row and third row. So if player B strategy when A plays strategy 1, we get this equation first row. When for player B strategy, if A plays strategy second, then we get second row, and if A plays strategy third, then we get third row, and addition of probability always equal to 1. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 1, right? So dividing all these constant by v, then what will we get? So dividing throughout by v, so y1 by v plus thrice y2 by v plus y3 by v less than equal to 1. Next here 0 into y1 by v plus y2 by v plus twice y3 by v less than equal to 1. And last, similarly after dividing we get less than equal to 1 term, and here finally we get y1 upon v plus y2 upon v plus y3 upon v is equal to 1 upon v. Okay, and here minimize v is same as 1 upon v as a maximize. Therefore we get, so after dividing throughout by v we get this constant. Okay, so here we get 1 upon v as y1 by v plus y2 by v plus y3 by v. We select y1 by v as y1, y2 by v as y2, and y3 by v as capital Y3. Then this equation can be written as y1 plus 3y2 plus y3 less than equal to 1, y2 plus 2y3 less than equal to 1, and 3y1 plus twice y2 plus y3 less than equal to 1, and addition of probability is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 1 upon v. So player B's objective is to minimize his expected loss, which can be reduced by minimizing v means maximizing 1 upon v, because in for player B strategy minimize v is same as maximize 1 upon v, and for player A strategies maximize v means minimize 1 upon v. So this equation becomes, so objective function will be maximize 1 upon v is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3, and subject to constants are, so these are three equations are subject to constants. So y1 plus 3y2 plus y3 less than equal to 1, y2 plus twice y3 less than equal to 1, and thrice y1 plus twice y2 plus y3 less than equal to 1. In this case y1, y2, y3 must be greater than equal to 0, and this is the constant equation for player B, and this is the dual of previous problem 1, right? Then one of the objective function will be solved by using big M method or simplex method and calculate value of game. So here we have formed the constant equations for player A and player B, right? So this is constants, for player B's strategy, okay. So this is the constant for player B, and in previous page we have seen, so this is the constant for player A strategy. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.